Hello, my artsy friends. In this video, we'll be covering the woven wheel technique. Let's jump in. Starting with a water-soluble stabilizer, I printed on this and cut it out, just sticking it here to the fabric and I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna come up through the back, down through the front, and I'm going to create these 5 straight stitches that are gonna be the base of my woven wheel. So I'm gonna do that quickly and just go around the circle, again, up through the back, down through the front. They are all going to share that center hole, so they'll all be touching. So I'm going to finish this up and then we'll start the woven technique. So the woven wheel, I think it's also called the spider stitch. I think of it as a rose. It really creates this nice floral element. And we do that by coming up near that center. We're going to go over our first stitch, under the next, and then over and under. And that is it. We just continue to weave over and under around the entire circle. And once we get to the point where that's filled, then you just go straight back down through your fabric and knot it to secure it. So again, this is the woven wheel technique and it really is mostly weaving. So you'll do your 5 foundational stitches and then you'll continue to weave going over and under each stitch until you fill the shape. So I'm going to speed this up so you can see how it looks once we've gotten it filled and give you a couple examples with the other 2. Now, depending on what thread and fabric you're working with, you may go bigger or smaller. Yarn roses are so much fun to make, so I highly recommend experimenting with those. But again, it's the same idea where you're laying your 5 foundational stitches and then weaving over and under. And that is our woven wheel stitch. Check it out. Thank you for stitching with me today. Be sure to download your free pattern sampler and guide wherever you're watching this lesson. I'll see you next time. Happy stitching!